You received a text from a friend wanting to come over for dinner this evening, and you're not sure what to cook. Don't panic. Well, here at A Side Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with lemon pepper pork chops. So let's get started. First, let's prepare the garlic balsamic green beans. Bake them for 20 minutes or until they are tender. While the beans are in the oven, let's cook the couscous. Set your timer for 5 minutes. Allow the couscous to stand covered for 5 minutes. Couscous, a form of pasta, originated in North Africa in 238 BC. Looks like the couscous is ready. The green beans are ready and they look amazing. Now let's prepare the marinade for the pork chops. Time to prepare the pork chops. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. These 1/2 inch pork chops took 8 minutes in the oven. Garnish with chopped parsley. Thank you for liking the video, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, these lemon pepper pork chops are amazing. The marinade balances the savory and tangy flavors that are perfect for these pork chops. Let's have a bite of the couscous. I love the light and airy texture of the couscous and the balance of garlic and peppercorn. I'm gonna have a little bit more. The garlic balsamic green beans are another great option for this dish. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like dinner's ready for you and your guest. Stay with us. Watch the next video.